In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best welding machines available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the welding machines list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the welding machines mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Ultrasonic Plastic Spot Welding Machine 700W. This 700W ultrasonic plastic spot welder operates at 28 kHz, offering precise and efficient welding for car body repairs and similar applications. Designed with versatility in mind, it includes 2 nozzles to accommodate different welding needs. Its ultrasonic technology ensures strong, clean welds on plastic materials, making it ideal for both professional and industrial use. Compact and user-friendly, it is perfect for tackling intricate repairs with ease. Number 4, ANDELI Semi-Automatic MIG Welding Machine. The ANDELI Semi-Automatic MIG Welder combines MIG, lift TIG, and arc capabilities in one versatile device. Featuring gas and gasless welding options, it's equipped with a synergy inverter for precise and smooth welding. Whether for professional or DIY tasks, its multi-process functionality makes it suitable for various metals and projects. Its intuitive controls and robust build enhance reliability, while the compact design ensures ease of use in multiple settings. Number 3, HITBOX 2-in-1 Arc Welding Machine. The HITBOX Arc 200D offers 10-200A of power, combining arc and TIG lift welding capabilities in a lightweight and portable design. This mini-inverter welder features a digital LED display for easy monitoring and IGBT technology for efficient performance. Perfect for home projects, it delivers professional-grade welds with minimal fuss, making it a go-to tool for hobbyists and pros alike. Number 2, HZXVOGEN 3-in-1 Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN HVM 200 is a 3-in-1 welding machine combining MIG, TIG, and MMA functions in a semi-automatic inverter design. It offers gas and gasless options, making it highly versatile for iron soldering and more. With synergy settings for consistent results, this welder is ideal for various metalworking tasks. Compact and powerful, it suits both professional and DIY needs. Number 1, 3500A801H High Current Pulse Spot Welding Machine. The 3500A801H spot welder delivers high current pulse welding for lithium iron phosphate batteries, aluminum, and nickel. Its advanced design ensures precision and durability, catering to battery manufacturing and repair needs. Compact yet powerful, it is a reliable tool for achieving strong and consistent welds in demanding applications.